In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page from a DocuSign envelope. If you need to clean up a document before sending it out for signature, DocuSign makes it fairly simple to remove an unwanted page during the envelope setup process. This is especially helpful if you uploaded the wrong version of a file or included an extra page by mistake. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish in a clear and easy way. First, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This takes you to the area where you can begin creating a new transaction. From there, choose Envelope. This is the standard option for preparing and sending documents that need signatures. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you want to send a document out for signing, and it moves you into the document upload and recipient setup flow. Now upload the document that contains the page you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct file, since this is the version you'll be editing before it gets sent. Once the document is uploaded, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here to verify the information so the envelope goes to the right person. After that, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you can review the uploaded file and make adjustments before sending it. Find the page you want to remove and take a moment to double check that it's the correct one. It's a good idea to be certain before deleting anything, especially if the document has multiple similar pages. When you've located the page, click the three-dot menu on that page to open the page options. In the list of available actions, select Delete Page. DocuSign will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm that you want to remove the page. Once the page has been deleted, review the document carefully. Scroll through the remaining pages and make sure the correct page is gone and that the rest of the document still looks right. This quick review can help you avoid sending an incomplete or incorrect document. If everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope. At that point, DocuSign will deliver the document to the recipient you entered earlier, and that's all there is to it. Removing a page from a DocuSign envelope is a straightforward process once you know where to look, and doing a final review before sending can save you time later. Thanks for watching.